How would your life change if your mind worked for you instead of against you? Imagine waking up every morning with unstoppable confidence, laser focus, and the ability to attract success effortlessly. Today, I'm going to show you how to reprogram your mind and break free from the invisible limitations holding you back. The first step to reprogramming your mind is awareness. Most people don't even realize they're running on autopilot, old beliefs, doubts, and fears picked up from childhood or society. The mind is like a computer. If the software is outdated, it won't perform well. You have to notice those negative programs, like "I'm not good enough" or "success is too hard," and challenge them. Once you recognize the old patterns, it's time to install new ones. Your words are powerful. Replace "I can't" with "I can." Instead of saying, "I'll never be successful," affirm, "Success flows to me because I take action." Every time you catch a negative thought, rewrite it immediately with a positive, empowering one. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and vividly imagined. Athletes, CEOs, and world leaders use visualization daily. Close your eyes and see yourself already successful. Feel it, hear it. Add daily affirmations like, "I am confident. I attract opportunities. I am worthy of success." Over time, your subconscious accepts this as your new reality, environment, and habits. You cannot reprogram your mind while staying in a toxic environment. Surround yourself with positivity books, podcasts, people who inspire you. Success leaves clues. If you want wealth, study wealthy people. If you want happiness, study happy people. Change your habits, and your habits will change your future. Reprogramming your mind isn't a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. Every day, you are either training your mind for success or for failure. Be patient. Think of your mind like a muscle. The more you train it with positivity, visualization, and action, the stronger it becomes. Before long, you'll look back and realize you're living a life you once only dreamed of. If you've been waiting for a sign to take control of your life, this is it. Reprogram your mind, and success will no longer be a dream, it will be your reality. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing strategies, and remember, your mind creates your world. Make it a masterpiece.